Hi, Eric, the Bearded Tool Guy. This is my new KOBALT, right-handed, right-angle impact wrench. This is 24 volt, 4 amp, ultimate output. I'm going to run some 6-inch timber locks. I've never done this before with a right angle. Okay, there's one. Okay. We did that. Now, let's run a 5-inch power line into an existing hole. Okay, now let's run some 6-inch legs. See what the battery's at. Down to 3 bars in an existing hole. Run another one to an existing hole. The last one. Okay. Starting to get a little warm. Smells just a little bit. It still did the job. Down to 3 bars on the ultimate output. This is a 21700 cell. This thing supposedly, I think it does about 2, I think Shop Tool Reviews did it. I think it puts out like 180 of tightening and a little bit more on loosening. So this ain't a bad tool. It's something different to use. I get bored just using standard impact drivers and impact wrenches. So, okay, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy, signing off.